In this module, we'll be focusing on your health again, but this will be primarily focused on your physical health. Your physical health is your body. So you have to have a good combination of your mental and physical health. If you've already completed the previous module, you wrote down some thoughts you have. Whether those were negative or positive, you now are going to try to think positively more and more. And when negative thoughts do creep up, which they do, we're going to focus on changing them to more positive thinking thoughts. So with our physical body, we're going to come up with a plan. So I want you to grab your pen and paper again and write down your ideal physical body. You can close your eyes to do this, or you can look in the mirror and see things you want to change. Write down what will be better in your life if you change this, and that. Maybe you want to lose some weight. Maybe you want to become more athletic. Maybe you want to have that dream body. Whatever that is for you, I want you to write it down, and this will be our goal. And if you feel comfortable, share it in the community. Let others know what your goals are so they can help motivate you. And if you want to do it like they do it in other, workout videos, you can do before and after pictures to see where you are now and where you want to go. But what I always recommend is don't be too concerned with the reflection in the mirror. I want you to see what you want to be, not what you currently are. So when you look in the mirror, I want you to imagine, what does that person, that dream version of you already look like? And I want you to accept the fact that you are already that person. Because, if we go back to the simulation theory, or that time is illusion, or that we live in a holographic universe, you can be, do, or have anything you want in life. All you have to do is change your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. The act of observing changes your experience. So I want you to, whenever you look in the mirror, I want you to imagine you're already that dream version of yourself. Because then your brain will start finding patterns to support that new belief system, and you'll find yourself taking more and more actions to support that. Maybe you're a couch potato, but you started to change your thoughts to be more positive and thinking that you're an athletic person. Guess what? Your belief systems will soon change, and then your actions will soon change too. So you'll go from couch potato to gym rat, or just going for a walk every day. So, scientists recommend walking at least 10,000 steps a day. It ends up being, a couple hours depending on how fast you walk. So try to incorporate that into your daily experience. You may say, hey, that's kind of hard. I can't just go for a 2-hour walk every day. Well, 5-minute walk here, 10-minute walk there, it adds up throughout the day. We're focusing on a different aspect of your manifest success journey, whether that's your health, whether happiness. When you're on health days, you're wanting to focus on improving your positive thoughts and being more physically active. So that could be as simple as trying to do 10 push-ups, 10 jumping jacks, 10 sit-ups, and then work your way up to where you can do the law of 100, which is anything in states of 100 you tend to master quickly. So trying the 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 100 squats challenge, something like that. It really doesn't matter what you're doing for physical action as long as you're doing something. So that's why it could be as simple as just going for long walks. And you can also do your mental health journey while you're going on those long walks. There are many YouTube videos for walking meditations. We can make one for you if enough people request it. But that's all it requires is just daily consistent action. So it doesn't have to be a big deal. You don't have to, stress yourself out. Oh, I have to change this second. It's a daily consistent growing change that you're looking for. And remember, whenever you look in the mirror, already imagine that you are your dream self. I want you to go in the mirror after you finish this video and congratulate yourself on changing. Congratulate yourself on already being the ideal version you want to be. And when you look at those things that you don't appreciate, maybe you don't look quite how you want to look, you need to become the method actor in your life. You need to imagine that future version of you who already has everything they want. They already have their dream body. They already think positively. They already have all the wealth they want. They have the dream relationships. You need to imagine you're already that person now. And just like a method actor, you need to maintain that mindset despite external factors. And if you can do that successfully, you'll change very quickly.